boat's leaving. No, come on!
Wolfpack, form a wolf minivan!
Give me a break!
Click, click.
My baby!
Ah, we got the baby! This is not a safe way to transport the baby. We're parents now. Just go slower. You're right. Okay, good. Is that good, Tiny Thing? Tiny Thing? Ah, we lost her again!
Quick, we can get to the boat through here! Ah! Wait, why are you running so weird? What don't I know? My old nemesis, glass.
Birds can't see glass.
Just go, Tulip. It's too late for me. You got the baby. You can deliver her yourself.
What? No, I'm not leaving you behind. We can do this together.
All right. Tulip, you got this.
Okay, left, right, straight, left, right. Oh no! I'm panicking. Right again. Left, I mean, left, right, left, right, left. Rolf. I mean, Rolf. Just start
working.
Oh, we did that together.
I ran into every piece of glass. Some more than once. Oh, jeez.
What are the chances of that? I guess pretty high in a glass factory. Come on!
First, we're gonna take Tiny Thing and raise her to be a strong, independent woman. And then, we're gonna eat you.
Well, we've made a great team.
My baby.
That's my baby!
It's Jasper!
My baby!
Let go of us!
Wolfpack, form up! Broken heart! A cry!